Yan, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. So, bago ako magsimula for the Marinduque Global Center, I would like to ask you this question. Teka lang, mag-pin muna tayo. How many of you have ever wished na meron tayong mas mahabang freedom, more freedom, financial freedom, or simply a better future with your family? So lahat halos ng tao, they would spend lives riding someone else's bus. Ang ibig ko sabihin, they're actually following someone else's dream. Hindi yun talagang dream nila. Building someone else's dream, hindi yun dream nila. And helping someone else's build their dream and not their own dream. So today is the day for you to decide to drive your own bus or your own business. So sa Atomy, lagi ko sinasabi, we have to ride the bus, we have to learn the bus, and then today, hopefully, we will drive our own bus. So be your own boss, unleash your passion, and then serve in humility. So bago tayo magpatuloy, let's recite our company motto first to remind us of the spirit that guides our company. Okay, please unmute your mic. Company motto, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Go!
We're ready.
Cherish
Cherish
the
the
spirit.
create the vision, follow the faith, serve in humility. So today is not simply about the products, it's not simply about the money, it is about discovering an opportunity na pwedeng magpabago ng buhay nyo, ng pamilya nyo, at ng future generation. So I will share the company profile and help me share this to the rest of the team at sa inyong mga ka-team at kapamilya. Let's watch this.
A company that builds its foundation on the right principles and keeps them without wavering. A company that reaches the world with integrity. A company that grows with its customers and shares generously along the way. We are Atomy. Since its founding in 2009, Atomy has continued its steady growth, becoming a global network marketing company that can be found all around the world. Beyond customer satisfaction, we have made our customers' success our first priority, and that commitment continues today. Providing exceptional quality at an affordable price, this is the essence of distribution and the core of Atomy's strength. From the beginning, Atomy has upheld its absolute quality, absolute price philosophy, which lives within every product we create, from health supplements to beauty, living, food, and home appliances. Hemohim has surpassed 3 trillion Korean won in cumulative sales, becoming Korea's #1 exported health functional food. Developed through the national project of the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, Hemohim has acquired 28 international patents as a single product, and in 2024 became the first in Korea to be certified for both immune enhancement and anti-fatigue functionality, setting new standards in the health functional food industry. Another flagship line, Absolute Skincare, has exceeded 1 trillion Korean won in cumulative sales. It became the first in the cosmetics industry to receive the Sejong Daewang Award and was selected as a next-generation world-class product by the Ministry of Trade, Industry, and Energy. Atomy practices customer-centric management in every aspect of its business. This dedication has earned us the honor of being the only company in the industry to receive the Consumer-Centered Management certification 3 years in a row. Since opening our U.S. branch in 2010, Atomy has expanded across Asia, South America, Oceania, and Europe, operating in 26 regions worldwide and becoming a global hub connecting producers and consumers. Our products continue to prove overwhelming popularity overseas, leaving Korea in health supplement exports and quasi-drug exports, earning the $300 million export tower and reaching $2 billion in cumulative exports by 2025. Following the launch of our EU branch, we plan further expansion into Africa, Central and South America, and other emerging markets by sourcing products around the world that meet absolute quality and absolute price, and delivering them through our global sales network. Atomy continues to advance its global sourcing, global sales strategy. Atomy's success system, designed and operated directly by the company, enables anyone to succeed, regardless of personal background or experience. It is the driving force that sets Atomy apart. Through dynamic seminars delivered both online and offline, we share Atomy's vision vividly with members worldwide. By merging business with culture, we present a global success system that transcends time and space. To support our global members, we operate the ACT project to cultivate leadership and strengthen capabilities. We also opened the Songnisan Forest, reborn as the center of Atomy's brand experience offering programs and spaces dedicated to success. Atomy is now taking a step further, preparing A-Care, a wellness curation solution designed to enrich every aspect of life beyond physical health. With data-driven personalization and AI-powered care, we help members achieve a balanced lifestyle. To uphold Atomy's principles of absolute quality and absolute price, we empower our partner companies to focus fully on quality. Payments are made in cash within 1 week of delivery. Interest-free operating funds are provided when needed, and a joint quality management system ensures consistent excellence. Through these commitments, we build a virtuous cycle of accompanied growth. Atomy strives for sustainable coexistence with the planet. Through plastic-free initiatives, biodegradable materials, eco-friendly packaging, and resource regeneration efforts. Atomy's culture of sharing stands at the highest level, not only in direct selling, but across the entire distribution industry in Korea. Over the past 3 years, our donation to revenue ratio has been nearly 30 times higher than that of major retailers, ranking #1 among Korea's top 500 companies. These efforts have earned Atomy accolades in sustainability, public service, family-friendly management, and Great Place to Work Asia's Best Companies to Work For. Atomy's spirit of sharing has spread far beyond Korea, with employees, partners, and members around the world joining in social contribution activities. The company that upholds its principles as it shapes a new culture of distribution. The company trusted by people around the world as it continues to grow globally. The company that looks beyond customer satisfaction and strives for customer success. The company that values the spirit at its core. We are proud. Atomy.
Napakaganda ng ating company profile. Nakita niyo ba yung picture niyo doon sa maliliit na box? Okay. Sa mga hindi po nakakakilala sa akin, ako po si Sharon Rose Master Relin Pilapil Minorca. Professionally, I am working as a registered nurse sa United States. And siyempre pag nurse, kailangan nag-aalaga ng pasyente, caring for patients, ayan, helping others improve their health. Pero one of the greatest lessons I've learned sa wellness, it's not only physical health, but we also have financial wellness, we have personal growth, and having a meaningful purpose sa buhay is equally important sa pagkakaroon ng isang malusog or healthy pangangatawan. So that's why I'm so grateful with Atomy. In the picture, you will see Sharon Rose Master, Junie, my husband, and of course, yung chairman po ng ating company, Atomy. Walang iba kundi si Chairman Hangil Park. So kung hindi niyo pa po siya nami-meet, I encourage you to watch his videos. You can watch it sa ch.atomy.com/ph or /US. Iba-ibang country, meron kayong channel Atomy. So first time kong ma-meet si Chairman was November 1, 2022, and that's also my very first Success Academy na face-to-face. Kasi at the height of pandemic, walang Success Academy, walang one-day seminar. So napakaswerte namin na yung first Success Academy namin is meeting the chairman in New Jersey. And I've never missed a Success Academy since then. He is such an inspiration. So dati nangangarap lang siya na magkakaroon siya ng global company, di ba? Na mag-distribute ng products globally. And yet this time, we have now yung Atomy Park. Dati, ang sign lang ng ating company is in an A4 paper, nasa isang pinto, wala tayong wala tayong pang-deliver ng products, wala tayong website. Okay. So that was then, and then in Atomy, it really gave me access to high quality products. We have an incredible system. Isa dun yung Success Academy. And then we have a one-day seminar as well. Atomy gave me access to personal growth. Kasi dati nangangarap lang ako to present. That was in 2021. Yung nagpa-picture lang ako na I'll pretend na kunwari nandun din ako sa stage na nakikita ko yung background na blue dun sa likod. Also, Atomy has given us or has given me different leadership training. And through that, this Atomy is a global business opportunity that anyone can build. Hindi lang para sa nurses na katulad ko. Kahit hindi ka nag-aral, kahit wala kang background, kahit ordinaryong tao ka, I hope you would see the vision. So, my purpose today is not to convince you. My purpose is simply to share information and allow you to decide whether this opportunity is for you or whether this opportunity deserves a closer look. Ayan. Okay. Bakit ko sinasabi ganun? Kasi dati tinanggihan ko rin si Atomy. I rejected Atomy multiple times kasi ayaw ko ng network marketing business. Ayaw ko ng networking. Pasong-paso na tayo sa ganyan, di ba? As our chairman remind us, success begins with decision. So, you have to decide if this is for you. You have to decide if the opportunity is for you. Kaya yung tema ng presentation natin ngayon is drive the bus, taking action in driving your business. So no one can drive your dream except you. Okay, so basic, syempre, ride the bus, buy, use, and share. Kapag ka nagagamit mo na yung produkto, you can start doing the product testimony. Product testimony yan. That was 2023. I did a product testimony sa Georgia. And then, first time ever did the product presentation in 2022. Yan. Kung makita nyo yan sa channel Atomy, nakakilabot kasi halos wala akong boses at that time. And then also, we also share our life scenario, our dreams in a stage. So, given the time, in the future, mabigyan kayong pagkakataon, it would take about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Ganun lang ka-exam. Okay, so if you're new in the system and you have not accessed the website, our direct website in the Philippines is ph.atomy.com. The first 2 letters will just change depending on your country. So if Canada, it would be ca.atomy.com. US would be us.atomy.com. So kung nandyan po kayo sa Pilipinas and you still don't have the access, you can scan the QR code and join under my team. If you have a sponsor, please consult your sponsor and register through your sponsor. So, paano nga ba maging be your own boss? Yung unang B sa ating driving the business, be your own boss. Atomy gives ordinary people the opportunity to become business owners. So right now, we have 17 Imperial Masters. Ordinaryong tao. Yung iba, elementary lang. Yung iba, bus driver. yung iba pastor, ayan, yung iba dating restaurant owner. Ganun yung mga imperial master nila. So, in Atomy, you make your decision, your goals, your schedule, your pace kung gusto mong mabilis o mabagal, your level of commitment. No one can build this dream for you but you. Okay? Yun lang yung ano sa 8 steps to success. Unang step, yun yung talagang hindi pwedeng gawin ni sponsor sa'yo. Success begins when you take ownership and it is not someday, it's not next month or bukas na lang or pag may time, but it should be today. So Atomy is rewriting the network marketing history. Bakit? Kasi lahat ng pangit sa network marketing, inalis ni Atomy. We offer a well-balanced and righteous compensation plan. And just recently, sa panibagong change ng ating marketing plan, company is so generous. Through the compensation plan, which is the first step sa pag-fulfill ng vision yung ni Atomy, yung everyone's success. Beyond customer satisfaction, Atomy has the vision of ensuring everyone's success. So sana maramdaman nyo yan. Kada ginagamit nyo yung produkto ni Atomy na may absolute quality and absolute price, mararamdaman nyo na mahal kayo ni Atomy. So satisfied na kayo sa product and yet you can also earn income through Atomy. Why it is sustainable to do Atomy as a business? Dahil na mga features and strengths. Una, we only have to build binary 2 legs. So if you're a consumer and you just want to take advantage of the cashback, pwedeng dalawa lang register mo. Isa sa left, isa sa right. But if you want to do it as a business, just go build deep and straight. Walang fee, walang registration fee, walang monthly, walang quota. And then, you just truly need to buy what you need and use it. And the other good thing is we have unlimited accumulation. Unlimited accumulation of points if you are registered as a distributor. Wala nang lalampas na points sa'yo once you start using the products. And on top of that, you also have unlimited accumulation of members. Pag nag-register yung new members mo ng taga-ibang bansa, they will become your members as well. So, infinite level, walang hanggan o walang katapusang linya. Ibang company would offer up to the 7 level but you will not benefit 100%. In Atomy, kahit mag-register sila in the future, kahit pang 1 million mo ng members sila, you will still benefit 100%. 100% sa points na ibibigay nila or i-contribute sa team. O, diba? And then, ang maganda nun, hindi nag-expire yung points until the company pays you. The company offers Global One marketing. And we have the income ceiling. So kahit ngayon ka lang mag-join, huwag kang mag-alala. We will all see each other at the top kasi may ceiling. Hindi totoo kay Atomy yung kung sino lang nauna, siya lang yung mas malaki ang kita. Okay. So depende yun sa effort mo at sa activities mo. So right now we have 27 global branches. Ang headquarter po natin is nasa South Korea. So briefly, I'll mention some countries kasi baka minsan nakalimutan mo may kaibigan ka pala sa country na ito. First is we started in Korea and then 2010 we opened in USA, then later Japan, Canada, Taiwan, Singapore, Mexico. We also have Europe. So sa Europe, 31 countries yung Italy, Germany, yan. Kung ano mang country sa Europe, okay? And then we have United Kingdom. We have Philippines, of course. We have Singapore, yan. Australia, New Zealand, kung may kakilala kayo dyan. Ayan. Hong Kong, meron tayo. China, of course. Cambodia, Malaysia. Ayan. India, Thailand, Turkey, Colombia, Brazil, Mexico, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Russia. Ayan. So, kung may hindi man ako nabanggit, we will also have soft opening of different countries this year. And next year, another country. So, watch out for announcement. Okay. So, we have this marketing video sa channel Atomy. So, this video summarizes kung paano kumita sa Atomy. So, panoorin natin. And if you guys have any question, don't hesitate to comment sa ating chat box or say FB while we're doing live, and I will try to answer it if you have question.
You're traveling on a Tuesday and check your phone to see that you've just been paid. This is possible through passive income. How is this possible? All done through Atomy. No member fees, no hidden maintenance fees. All you need is to continue buying your daily necessities. For example, after using the Atomy toothbrush and toothpaste to daily share how great the products are with your friends and family. It's as simple as that. Atomy's general commission is based on a point value system called PV. Every product you purchase from Atomy, you earn PV. And when you share them with your friends and family, they are distributed below your line. Possible with Atomy. Binary system. Say, for example, when your mom and your best friend each buy daily necessities from Atomy, they accumulate PV, and those PV will be considered as your group PV. This is where you can start earning money to start earning money. You will have to accumulate 300,000 PV to become a member, and your left and right legs need to accumulate a minimum of 300,000 PV. Once you meet the minimum requirements, you will earn your first paycheck all through using and sharing Atomy products. But don't worry, your points will continue to accumulate even if you haven't reached 300,000 PV on your smaller like, so you don't have to worry about your PV being flushed out. Don't worry, we'll wait. So as your mother and friend shares with more people, all of the generated PV will be included in your group PV, making it easier for you to complete your matching. The possibilities are endless as you can share with anyone in the world. In Atomy, earning money is as simple as sharing. The gate to economic gain is wide open for you. With each PV you gather, you'll be allocated points, and from there you unlock higher earnings through bonuses and commissions. It's that easy. In Atomy, points equals money. Your scores are calculated daily. Then the scores from Wednesday to the following Tuesdays are totaled for payment to be discussed on the coming Tuesday. Easy to say, you'll get a paycheck every Tuesday. More points equals higher scores, which equals higher payouts. Not enough, don't worry. There's more in Atomy. There's a mastership bonus
based on your mastership level, making your payout larger every time you manage to accumulate a larger group PV. For example, to become a sales master in Atomy, you need to gather 700,000 in personal PV and generate 2.5 million group PV within a cycle across both your left and right legs.
Reaching this rank earns you rewards for sales master around 20,000 pesos. This is a way for Atomy to celebrate your achievements within the community. On average, a sales master earns between 70,000 pesos and 74,000 pesos a month. Spectacular scenes await you when you reach the rank of an auto sales master. It is a straightforward path to a passive income between 840,000 and 888,000 pesos per year.
The ASM ranking is just the start of your 5-figure income round. As you climb the 7 ranks, you will unlock even greater passive income and lavish rewards designed to reward you for your determination and hard work along your journey Atomy. You will always be there to reward you for the incredible heights you achieve with incredible cash bonuses.
Starting from 20,000 for Sales Master, 60,000 for Diamond Masters, 80,000 for Sharon Rose Masters, 400,000 pesos for Star Masters, 2 million for Royal Masters, and 12 million for Crown Masters. And at the peak, look forward to a 40 million pesos cash reward when you ascend to an Imperial Master. This can all be yours when you make your way to the top, and with Atomy's special ceiling cap, everyone has a fair chance of success. The beauty of Atomy resides in a communal effort. Success, impossible as an individual, becomes possible as a team. Thanks to the growing number of colleagues, anyone can reach higher income at Atomy. So what's stopping you from traveling the world without a single concern while earning a healthy passive income? All through sharing absolute quality products at absolute prices with your friends and family. In Atomy, we share, we earn, we grow together.
Ayan. So, every country has its own marketing plan. Same concept, iba-iba lang, nagkakaiba lang gawa sa sa currency. So, make sure you visit your own channel Atomy kung nakatira sa ibang bansa. I'm always used to sa US dollars kaya ngayong nakikita ko yung sa Philippines, yung pala yung conversion sa Philippines. So, becoming the auto sales master, yung unang-unang level ng mastership, almost 1 million per 888,000 no pesos per year kung auto sales master ka. Kaya nung nakita ko yung marketing plan ni Atomy, sabi ko, kung sales master ako at lagi akong sales master every month, I can retire early in doing the Atomy business. So, I do training ng challenge and auto sales mastership, not on a Facebook Live like this kasi detailed explanation. So if you guys are interested, just message me. It's easy to become member in Atomy. Kailangan lang meron kang sponsor or yung person of reference. So make sure you reach out. And I just want to highlight na it's important for you to register as a distributor. Okay? Kasi merong consumer and distributor. So kung may TIN number ka, I encourage you to update your account sa distributor para hindi na lumampas yung points at para ma-enjoy mo yung unlimited accumulation ng PV. Kasi between consumer at saka distributor, yun lang nakaregister ng distributor ang magbe-benefit sa points galing sa ibang member. But both of you, consumer at saka distributor, kapag bumibili ka ng produkto sa Atomy websites, nag-a-accumulate yun ng points. I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, dun sa presentation kanina, you can get a commission. Previously, you need a total of 900,000 points para sa unang commission. But with the recent change sa ating Atomy marketing plan, even with the 600,000 points sa account mo at saka sa mga members na galing sa ilalim, you can get a commission. Okay. So, napakasimple ng concept ng Atomy. You just have to change your brand, change the way you shop kasi habang nagsashop ka kay Atomy, you're supporting your own business and then you're also would like to promote your own business. So, yung expenses mo ngayon can be converted into an income as long as i-follow mo yung structure, yung binary, kung paano mag-build ng system. Kahit nag-iisang tao lang ang meron ka sa right, you can still be eligible for a cashback as long as you're continuously using the products kasi sa simula, ikaw lang ang bumibili. Pag buong bahay mo is puro Atomy na, of course, it is impossible for you not to get the income. Kaya mahalagang aralin, intindihin kung paano umaakit yung points. Points is designated value or points sa lahat ng products. Lahat ng products ni Atomy may equivalent na points. Yung iba mas maraming points, yung iba hindi. So, you always have to review kung gaano ba ka-generous si Atomy. But I assure you, lahat ng products ay may points. And as you buy these products, you will accumulate points. Hindi nag-expire, hindi nagpa-flash out. Group points, yung nag-accumulate galing sa member, yun lang yung nagpa-flash out pag binayaran ka na ni Atomy. Okay, kaya today is Tuesday, check your account. Ayan, malapit na bang mag-commission? Ilan ang points sa kaliwa? Ilan ang points sa kanan? So basic, each time na mag-match, 300,000 sa left at sa right side, kung ang binili mo lang ay 8 toothpaste na maliit, tsaka 8 toothbrush, of course, you are eligible for 825 pesos na commission. Yun yung nandun sa kanina. But roughly 800 minus taxes, yan ang papasok sa inyo. But then if you promote yourself as an agent, you are driving your business as an agent. Paano nagiging agent? You have 300,000 points sa inyong account. Kasi di ba lahat halos ng product kay Atomy ginagamit mo, nag-accumulate ka na ng 300. And if you open your mouth and share it to others, ayan, once na nagkaroon ng 300,000 points sa left side, and ikaw ay may 300,000 points din, you get a commission. As long as, simula sa simula, nag-register ka na distributor. Kung sa simula consumer ka, of course, that point is not counted para sa commission. Ang magiging count lang for the commission is yung points na as a distributor. Okay. So, Yung mga naging sales master last April, they have earned a total of 57,000 in 15 days. Okay? Nung may nag-challenge. Every mastership may requirements. And then the sales master is only the mastership level na nag-a-ask ng points, 2.5 million sa left and sa right. Of course, we have different strategies on how to do that. Kailangan daily nagko-commission para ma-maximize mo yung income. So, kung daily ka magko-commission ng 2,475 at naka-8 commission kayo na 15 days, you are close to become the sales master. And then you are entitled for another cash reward na 20,000 and then may mastership bonus. So, iba yung daily commission. Daily commission is each time lang na nag-prepare yung commission. And then the mastership bonus is each time na ma-reach mo yung mastership, you get another 10% kung sales master, I think 5% kung diamond, 3% kung Sharon Rose. So iba-iba yung it's a fair distribution of the mastership bonus. But in total, 20% of the sales PV is given as a mastership bonus. The true income is in mastership challenge. Kaya dapat nagcha-challenge, okay? Hindi yung sasabihin, ay, si sponsor lang makikinabang. No, you have to challenge. Even without the sponsor na nagcha-challenge, you have to challenge and make sure you count and monitor your points sa left and right, kung nagko-commission ba. And then if you are close to becoming a sales master. Okay, let's highlight the Imperial Master. Sabi kanina, we have 7 masterships. So once you become an auto sales master, ibig sabihin you become sales master at least every month or twice a month, you are so close to become an Imperial Master. Kasi pinakamahirap yung to become auto sales master. Pero pag na-master mo na yon, you just have to repeat and teach everyone how to become a sales master, then how to become a diamond, and how to become a Sharon Rose, and then Star Master, then Royal Master, and then Crown Master, and then last is Imperial Master. So, paano maging Imperial Master? Of course, you have to promote the leaders. Dalawa sa left, dalawa sa right na Crown Master. And those Crown Masters, to become Crown Master, they have to promote 2 leaders again sa left and sa right. So, ganun lang yung binary structure. But once you become an Imperial Master, the company will give you 40,000 cash awards. Okay? You will get sponsorship activity na 400,000 per month. You get a 10 nights, 11 days overseas travel. You will also get a luxury car, pati yung driver, not the driver, I mean the fee or yung salary ng driver, ipoprovide ni Atomy. And you can have a imperial office or building kasi imperial master ka na, and the company will pay yung salary ng secretary. So if you're going to take this opportunity this time, will it take you maybe 10 years or 17 years like yung other imperial masters, or maybe 20 years kung mabagal ka? Is it worth it na i-build yung business na to if it would give you this much? Okay. So right now we have 17 Imperial Masters. And once you are promoted as an Imperial Master, our chairman will personally give that to you through that forklift. Okay? Kasi napakabigat. So kung sa Pilipinas ka ma-promote na Imperial Master, wala pa tayong Imperial Master sa Pilipinas. The highest at this time in Philippines is Star Master. In US, the highest we have is Crown Master. So we can wait to have our own Imperial Master. So we have 16 sa Korea, and the very first global na Imperial Master is from China. Okay, so it's possible to become Imperial Master. So just for the cash promotion total, ito yung total na marireceive mo. Yung sa promotion bonus lang ha, yung kada mapopromote ka, hindi pa kasama dyan yung daily commission, hindi pa kasama dyan yung mastership bonus. So I hope you guys will find time to learn how to get the income in Atomy kasi napakadali. I can say na napakadali kasi your expenses can become your household expenses. You just have to do little effort in sharing the Atomy products and then building your business. And Atomy has provided mostly 99%. Meron tayong success system. Okay, we have regional seminar We have one-day seminar. We have online seminars. Meron tayong Go Sales Master Camp, ABR, ABI. Ayan. Meron tayong Success Academy, of course. This coming Friday, I believe we will have the Korea Success Academy. And then June 26, is it 26? We'll have the Philippine Success Academy. So make sure we attend and plug into the system para mas matutunan natin everything about the company, everything about Atomy, everything about the products, everything about the chairman, and then everything about the system. So hindi kayo makakahanap ng company that has a full support na ganito. So kahit walang Atomy, you will still brush your teeth, you will still shampoo, you will still eat ramen, you'll still drink coffee, you'll still do the laundry. So Atomy is offering you an opportunity, a lifetime opportunity for up to third generation kasi pwedeng ipamana sa anak and sa apo. In a simple daily necessity or switching brand sa daily necessities nyo. So, browse the website and see kung anong products na pwede nyong palitan. And I missed this part. We have the Atomy Success Club. So, I'm grateful that I'm now part of the Auto Sales Master Club. Yun yung unang-unang pin na marireceive nyo. And once you start earning up to 4 million pesos annually, you'll be part of the Leaders Club. In US, it's $100,000 per year. And then Royal Leaders Club, our sponsor, Royal Master Yusuk Song, she did the vision speech at Georgia one-day seminar, and she is in this club. And then we also have one of our big sponsor, Crown Master Jason Shim, nandito na siya sa Crown Leaders Club. So he's earning more than $400,000 annually, or 16 million pesos annually. So, are you excited to be part of that club? Okay, can't wait to be part of that club. So make sure you plug into the system para lalo pang matutunan. The Marinduque Global Center, of course, is offering different trainings. And today, ito yung ating Tuesday Atomy. On Wednesday, tomorrow, 7:30, we'll do Wellness Wednesday where we discuss different products. So, yun muna for today. And it is important for us to do business with your passion. So you have to unleash your passion. Passion without action produces nothing. And we have the 8 core daily habits. Ito yung isa sa proven system na prinubide ni Atomy. Small actions repeated daily create extraordinary results. So if you are interested in becoming auto sales master, make sure on a daily basis, gawin nyo to. I started doing this in January of 2021. I achieved my auto sales mastership by May of 2022. Okay? It took me a while kasi marami akong hindi alam at the beginning. Okay, so create daily habits. These small steps will build momentum over time. So you have to read a book, you have to watch a video ng channel Atomy, ng video ng Atomy, hindi ng Netflix, okay? You have to attend meetings like this, you have to use the products. If you cannot attend meeting, then create your own meeting, meet somebody. Use the products, of course, 100%. Show the plan means explaining the marketing plan or explaining the business. Customer care, customer delivery, then sponsor consultation is important. And then, of course, we have to build trust. And then I do recommend for you to have a notebook, 3 notebook para sa consumer, para sa 8 core, and then para sa mga lectures. So, lahat ng natututunan nyo is isinusulat nyo. Okay? Kung ano man ang effective sa inyo. Your app, which is called the Atomy Shop app, also have a checkbox. Meron tayong 8 core daily habits. So, you can actually check that kung gusto nyo. Okay. And, of course, you can follow our Facebook page, Marinduque Global Center, where I do the Facebook Live. So, I think I started this 2 years ago para mas marami tayong ma-reach. Naintindihan ko sa Pilipinas, mabagal ang internet, mahina ang signal, but, you know, if you are truly interested and you're plugged into the system, you'll find a way. Kung hindi talaga makalagin sa Zoom, then call sa messenger, call your sponsor through a messenger, or chat, text kung may questions, okay? In driving your Atomy business, it is important for you to serve in humility. Those successful leaders will not be successful if they are not doing this service in humility. The heart of Atomy is not selling. Okay, I don't want to sell. Okay, but the true heart of Atomy is in serving. We share because we care. Okay, we listen, we help, we encourage. So we become a blessing to somebody. So I hope through the different products that you have used in Atomy, you will find somebody that can find solutions through the products that we have. And in the beginning, I wasn't doing Atomy as a business, but then when I encountered the Himuhim, our flagship product, and I become so grateful. That's why I started sharing Atomy. It's worth sharing Atomy kahit walang income. Okay? Kahit walang income, I'll still use the products of Atomy 100%, but it's really worth sharing Atomy. You can change lives and you can help a lot of people using the Atomy and sharing Atomy. So when we focus on helping people improve their lives, okay, improve their business, improve their health, improve their beauty, ayan, yung beauty products natin. Congratulations sa ating mga Let's Glow Together Challenger na gumagamit ng Peel of Mask and Evening Care Set on a daily basis. Our growth naturally follows kapag 100% ginagamit mo yung mga products. And then we have the 8 steps to success. I said earlier, setting a goal is something na hindi pwedeng gawin ng sponsor sa inyo. Then the second one is commitment. Okay? Dapat yung step 1, step 2, manggagaling yan sa inyo. That's how you drive the business. And then we have list up, invitation. Napakadali ni Atomy. Bakit? Kasi you just have to create your list. Okay? Kung ayaw nila, then fine. Move to the next. And then after that, you invite them to plug into the system. Hindi naman ikaw sa simula ang magtuturo. But then, as you become and as you grow with Atomy, you will have no choice but to teach them kasi matututunan at matututunan mo si Atomy. Okay? In my first 3 years, alam ko ba si Atomy? Of course, natutunan ko rin lang si Atomy kada attend ko ng meeting. And then the system is already working. Ito lagi yung sinasabi, paulit-ulit ng ating mga Imperial Masters. Make sure you write your life scenario. Follow 8 steps, follow 8 core. So the key is consistency in doing the 8 steps to success and then the 8 core daily habits. So today I encourage you, give yourself a chance, okay? You do not need to know everything today. You do not need to be an expert. You simply need to be willing to learn. So for beginners, I encourage you to know the basics of Atomy. Know at least how to become a member to consumer. Know the mobile app, yung Atomy Shop. Know the different online tools, yung YouTube, yung Facebook, yung resources, channel Atomy. And then within your app, ang daming features, okay? Road to become an agent. Why do I say agent? Once you become an agent, non-stop na yan. As you are using the products and sharing, you will get commission as you consistently do it. Learn the company motto. Embrace the company motto. Within the company motto, you can present a marketing plan within the company motto. Write your life scenario, of course. Learn about different life scenario ng ibang mga leaders, ibang Imperial. And then, today I show the basic marketing plan, but learn it religiously para at least kapag may nagtanong sa inyo, alam nyo. Okay? And then for future independent business owner, continue learning about the 8 steps to success, the 8 core daily checklist. Do it with your team. Okay? Hindi ikaw lang. Do it with your team. Challenge your team. I bet within 30 days, 90 days, it will make a difference in doing your business. Then watch others' success story on their journey to sales mastership. Watch the lecture of Auto Sales Masterclass. Okay? We have Boston Global Center replay from way back in 2021, yun ang inattendan ko. I have to learn how to become an auto sales master. Watch different Atomy vision of successful leaders. I'm a Sharon Rose Master. Siyempre, at the minimum, if you're listening to me, at least I know you'll become a Sharon Rose Master. So far, alam ko maging Sharon Rose Master. But I do encourage you to listen to the Imperial Masters and then watch their road to success. Stay plugged into the system. Okay? Make sure you listen, okay, with your heart because success leaves clues. Okay? Yun lang yun, gagayanin lang. Sa Atomy, maganda kay Atomy, pwedeng mangopya, pwedeng manggaya. Hindi tayo hahablan ni Atomy. So, the people succeeding in Atomy are simply following the system consistently. And as we conclude, I want to leave you with this thought. Many people are waiting for perfect opportunity, perfect timing. Others are waiting for perfect knowledge or perfect confidence. But success does not belong to those who wait. Success belongs to those who decide. Okay? Kaya nga sinasabing speed of decision. And today, you were given some of the information. Tomorrow or later, the decision belongs to you. Will you continue riding someone else's dream? Or will you decide to drive your own business? So again, I say, be your own boss, unleash your passion, serve in humility, dream bigger, dream faster, or dream bigger, decide faster, and take action. Yun yung mahalaga. Kailangan may action. And become a blessing to others. Because Atomy is more than products. Atomy is more than money. Atomy is more than a business. Atomy is truly a gift, and a gift that becomes more valuable when it is shared. So we'll end with the company motto. I would like everyone to unmute your mic. Company motto, are you ready?
Yes.
Go!
Cherish
Cherish
the
the
spirit.
spirit,
Create
create the vision,
the vision.
follow the faith, serve in humility.
Humility.
Acha!
Acha.
Acha! Yeah, thank you everyone sa lahat ng Facebook Live viewers. If you have come this far, please comment drive. Okay? And I'll see you guys sa ating sharing. Bye!